everyone, welcome to our simple kitchen. If you're looking for a super easy, low-carb dinner idea, you've got to give this bruschetta chicken a try. I was able to throw this together in less than 30 minutes after a long day at work, and it turned out so good. Start out by getting a few thinly sliced chicken breasts. I like my chicken pretty thin, so I either pound them down with a meat tenderizer or I slice them horizontally. Once you have the chicken to your desired thickness, season it with salt and pepper. You can then put those aside and begin prepping the rest of your ingredients. Don't forget to comment below to let us know your favorite quick and easy dinner recipes. I chopped up 4 Roma tomatoes into a medium-sized bowl. In with the tomatoes, you're going to add a few tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, about a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Feel free to add more or less of anything if that's how you like it. Once you have everything in the bowl, mix the tomato mixture and set aside while you cook the chicken. This is where you can get a little creative. We cook the chicken in a skillet over the stove, but you could also bake it, grill it, or even air fry it if you'd like. If you're cooking the chicken on the stove, heat up a skillet to medium heat and cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's done when the internal temperature reaches 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the chicken's cooked, add your sliced fresh mozzarella and toss in the oven on broil until the cheese is nice and melted. This bruschetta chicken will definitely be on the regular menu rotation. Once the cheese is melted, pull the chicken from the oven and add to a plate. Top with the tomato mixture and you've got a super easy and delicious weeknight meal. Top with some fresh basil. Drizzle with balsamic glaze. We've been trying to find quick and easy dinner recipes that are budget friendly but also taste good, and this is exactly that. Enjoy!